Wow. It looks like a new car, doesn't it?
It does. It absolutely does. Very deep. Very black.
Hello, welcome to Wide Details. Jumping straight into it then, Onyx Black Aston Martin DB9 is booked. It's here for the Wide Detail. The vehicle is a London-based vehicle. It's had a lot of bodywork recently, it's had a lot of paint. We're going to look over the paint and think, really, this needs a Wide Detail? Yeah, apparently so. As you can see, it's not bad at all. This bonnet, wing have been painted. If we do some zoom in, they paid big money for the bonnet to be painted, but we can still see sander marks left behind, pigtails down that channel. But otherwise, it's looking pretty good. It's a heavy metallic, sparkly paint this. No buffer trails, but there are sander marks left behind. Stretch there. Otherwise, the rest of the car, the doors have had the corrosion warranty resprayed. The handles have suffered from water ingress. Light buffer trailing down here. So this door has been painted. Nice little cluster of sander marks low down here. That's good to see. Means we can get stuck into it. I did see I'm taping the mirror up, the very bottom of the mirror, you see sander marks on the very lowest edge there. Just goes a bit dull. Sander marks when you pull them out. So in comparison to last week's Wide Detail on the 214,000 mile Range Rover Vogue, this should be slightly easier, but already we're finding some problem areas, deep scratches in the bumpers. In the middle of the bumper at the back, there's some little chips. It looks like it's been rested against something here. Someone's been little abrasions. Worst area on the car is this near side rear corner on the bumper. There's a good amount of deep marks. Someone's been dragged around this. It's up here as well. It's probably a hose or something being dragged, or it could be fuel related. Oh, some bad scratches here.
Haven't been thought about, have they? Yeah, there's a lot on this one there. This one here.
Series of marks in the roof, you can see them starting here. You can actually see an edge, a tide line of sander marks all the way down there. Flattened marks to the very corner. It's like here, the door, there's just pigtails remaining. Not dreadful, but there's clusters of pigtails. Down in the bottom corner, it gets heavy down there. A flat edge there of sander marks where they finished, lower door.
I think that's in the PPF.
Edge of the door, thin here. Another burn through tearing. Near side front wing, sander marks. Little blemish of them there. Tiny amounts of sander marks. Top of the vent there. So although the vehicle isn't particularly marked up or isn't a bad example, it's only done 8,000 miles. We have to be careful with this one.
As the title suggests, this episode, it's more the after footage. It's two black British
beautiful GT cars that have received the white details treatment. The Onyx Black Aston Martin DB9, and then the Jaguar XKR, which I believe is Ultimate Black. Both vehicles travelling quite a distance to make it to white details, both received the full white detail gold package. Boasting a major paint correction detail where we're chasing paintwork perfection over 95% plus, where safe to do so, the removal of unsightly defects, damage, paint swirls, scratches, abrasions, sander marks left from the factory or even body shops. With the paintwork perfected, we move on to the interior treatments, the leather cleansing, the protection for the leather and the fabrics, the dash, the door cards, the console. The wheels have been removed from both vehicles to flush the arch assembly, to prep and care for the calipers and suspension, the arch linings. The wheels, calipers and exhaust tips, once treated, have been coated with a high temp wheel coating. Engine bay treatments, the door sills around the door shuts and the boot have been all hand polished. And then finally, the icing on the cake has been multi-layer ceramic paint protection. Both of the vehicles receiving Kamikaze Collections coatings. However, the Aston Martin, this received the Zapang Sandwich, which is Kamikaze's flagship multi-layer ceramic option. Zapang coat topped with Miyabi coat, topped with a secondary layer of Zapang coat. The last 3 weeks have been pretty busy. It's been all hands on deck. The Range Rover Vogue, the 214,000 mile episode, took a lot of work, took a lot of editing. There was a backlog of editing to be done, hence just recording the after footage so at least the owners have, here is the car, it's had 5 days treatments, it's restored back to better than new. And coming up in the next week there is an off the radar new car prep, which you will see on YouTube. It will be recorded, documented, and you'll see a vlog episode of the case study in the coming days. But for now, enjoy the rest of this after footage. Thanks again for watching, thanks for the support, thanks to my patrons. Take care, see you soon. Can you grab that a sec for me? I'm just going to spin it around so I can get some of the back end. They do look fantastic, black cars when they're finished, but yeah, just, oh, look at that. How the sun goes over the Jaguar with the sign.